Hi guys, I'm Young. You guys know life is not all about second chance, but sometimes if you're lucky, you get some second chance. And this is exactly what today's video is about. It is about the second chance. Well, some people didn't particularly want my prize, or they're not particularly interested in my channel, but still entered in the prize competition. So there are two prizes that are still not taken. Freewell all day 8-pack. So it comes with ND4, 8, 16 and 1 CPL, and ND8 PL, ND16 PL, ND32 PL, and 64 PL. That pretty much means you're covered. You're covered for during sort of daytime to nighttime as well. And also the Freewell OSMO pocket filter for clear night, as well as UV IR cut filter. I mean, I've shown you guys what Freewell night filter can do. Even in Hong Kong, where it's so crowded with buildings and lights, I was able to shoot some beautiful starry night photography, as you can see in my other video. And of course, I'm not here to do only rerun. I mean, Freewell makes some wonderful filters, and I know sometimes after getting a camera that's not that cheap, you kind of feel a little bit of reluctance in spending more money to get accessories, even though you know those filters will give you really cool effect. So I'm here with 3 more prizes. Yeah! And thank you so much, Freewell, for being so generous with my channel. And I think they really appreciate your support of my channel and how you guys are really interested in photography and videography. So here I'm gonna also share the Landscape Series 3-pack. So it comes with ND8 GR, which is wonderful for sunset and sunrise photography, and the 16 filter, which should really get your shutter speed down on a lower daylight condition, and also ND32 if you're shooting at a very bright sunny day. And also the light pollution filter that I think Freewell really specializes in. I haven't really seen these kind of filters on action camera before. You can really take the action camera and enjoy the starry night. And also ND1000 filter for those of you who are really serious about photography. But these 3 additional filters, you know what they'll do. So I actually haven't opened the pack because I want to just give the prize brand new, unboxed, unopened, right to your door. So if you're still with me, I'm now going to pick some winner from pickwinner.co. So from this section onwards, no editing, so that it's fair and square. 50 comments. It increased from the last time. Well, it's okay if you watch my video late, because I'm only going to give to those who watch my current video and know that they're a winner, and they email me their address within next, say, 4 days until 26th of June. So let's first pick all day 8-pack winner. Pick a winner. Charlie Farley 74. Hi Young, please consider me for a free filter pack. Well, now you've won. I have an upcoming cruise to the Greek island coming up. I hope this will get to you on time, and we'll need some filters to control the bright sunlight. I'll send it to you, so please send me your address and I'll send them to you ASAP by registered mail. So I'll pick the winner for this, the 4K series, the Landscape Series 3-pack, which really cover you for the landscape, videography, photography during daytime. So let's pick another winner. Oh, STE Fan R. STE Fan R. Hey Young, I love your videos and you're such a beautiful woman. Oh, he said it in plural. But anyway, thank you so much. Red really like to make some good holiday videos with his filters. I'm sure whenever you go to a beautiful landscape, you will be able to make some great videos. So here you go. And let me pick another winner. Oh, Michael Ver. Is that how you say it? I don't know. So I would use the filters mostly. Oh, so I'm holding the light pollution filter, by the way. That's perfect. I would use the filters mostly for beautiful near and light photography and also daytime filming to achieve the perfect exposure and shutter speed. Well, I'm giving you light pollution filter so you can definitely enjoy it during your nighttime photography and videography, I guess. So please send me your address. And now next is long exposure and the 1000 filter. Okay, let's pick another winner. Lorenzo Hagood. Good morning, I'm planning to go on a beach. Sky is really important, I think. I actually switched from the Osmo Pocket to Osmo Action from watching your reviews. Oh, okay. So Osmo Action filter for you. Okay, now last but not the least, clear night filter and also UV IR cut filter for Osmo Pocket contestants. Pick a winner. Oh, Steven Chia. So Steven, he says, I would use the Osmo Action filters to create psychedelic long exposure light trail. It's kind of strange. He says he will use the Osmo Action filters. But he did put Osmo Pocket filter for the comments. Okay, that's kind of strange. If you still want Osmo Pocket filter, then please let me know. I mean, this is random pick. I'm not going to like manipulate anything. So yes, you will still get it, but I'm not sure whether you actually need Osmo Pocket filter. So I think next time I should have rule where comment has to be a bit more consistent. I did chase last time in the last round, but still the 2 winners did not give me the address, so I guess they don't want it. So this time I'm actually not going to chase you. I'm not your mama, so please send me email by 26th of June and I'll send them to you ASAP so that you guys can get these filters before your summer holidays. So please, I'm waiting for your emails, and next week I'll come back with some other cool videos rather than only just doing giveaways. I've been really busy lately, so I couldn't really put my time to make some good videos, but I am coming back with some good videos where I can learn, you can learn, and so on. Now that I've actually started doing giveaways, I really hope I can do it more in the future. So stay tuned and like this video, and see you!